Here's something shocking. Two people can build the exact same 40 by 60 barndominium shell for $75,000. But one ends up spending $165,000 total, while the other drops $385,000. Same building, same size, wildly different price tags. The difference? One went minimalist, the other went luxury. Today I'm breaking down the real costs of building both styles in 2026, and I'll show you actual examples, so you can decide which path makes sense for your budget and lifestyle. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where every dollar goes and which style delivers the best value for your money. Before we dive in, if you're serious about building a barndominium, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I release detailed cost breakdowns and honest reviews every week to help you make smart building decisions without the fluff. Let's establish something critical right from the start. Whether you're building luxury or minimalist, you're starting with the same foundation, a 40 by 60 steel building shell. That's 2,400 square feet of open space with a metal frame, roof, and exterior walls. The shell costs roughly the same for everyone, around $60,000 to $80,000 in 2026. But here's where it gets interesting. That shell is just 20 to 25% of your total cost. The remaining 75 to 80%, that's all about the choices you make inside those metal walls. This is where luxury and minimalist barndominiums split into completely different financial universes. The minimalist barndominium, beauty and simplicity. Let's start with the minimalist approach, because this is where you'll see the most dramatic cost savings without sacrificing style or comfort. The minimalist barndominium philosophy is simple: clean lines, functional spaces, budget-friendly materials, and zero unnecessary extras. Think Scandinavian design meets industrial chic. Polished concrete floors, white walls, open shelving, and letting the architecture speak for itself. For our 40 by 60 example, let's call this build 2,400 square feet. Here's the honest breakdown for a minimalist build in 2026. Shell costs. Building kit package runs $48,000. Foundation at $6 per square foot gives you $14,400 for a basic 4-inch concrete slab, and on-site assembly costs $24,000. Shell total comes to $86,400. Interior finishing. Minimalist style of $40 to $65 per square foot. Insulation using budget spray foam in critical areas only costs $6,500. Basic interior framing and drywall runs $18,000. Polished concrete floors need no additional flooring at just $2,400 for sealing and polishing. The kitchen with stock cabinets and laminate countertops costs $12,000. Bathrooms with builder-grade fixtures run $8,500. Electrical with basic lighting and standard outlets costs $10,000. Plumbing for 2 bathrooms and kitchen runs $9,000. HVAC using a basic system costs $8,000. Interior doors using hollow core doors cost $2,800. And paint with white walls throughout costs $2,400. Interior finishing total comes to $79,600. Additional costs. Permits and engineering run $2,800. Septic system costs $7,500. Well or water connection runs $12,000. Gravel driveway costs $4,500. And minimal landscaping runs $2,000. Additional costs total $28,800. Grand total for minimalist 40 by 60 barndominium, $194,800, which equals approximately $81 per square foot. Now let's talk about what you actually get for that money. You get a beautiful, functional home with clean, modern aesthetics. The polished concrete floors are durable, easy to clean, and look fantastic. White walls make the space feel larger and brighter. Stock cabinets from big box stores look great when installed properly. Open shelving instead of upper cabinets saves thousands and creates an airy feel. The minimalist approach isn't about being cheap. It's about being intentional. Every dollar spent serves a purpose. No waste, no excess, just quality basics done well. The luxury barndominium, pulling out all the stops. Now let's flip the script and talk luxury. This is where barndominiums can rival or even exceed traditional custom homes in both style and cost. The luxury barndominium is about premium materials, custom everything, and creating a showpiece home. We're talking quartz countertops, hardwood floors, designer fixtures, high-end appliances, custom cabinetry, and architectural details that make people stop and stare. Same 40 by 60 shell, same 2,400 square feet, completely different price tag. Shell costs. Building kit package runs $52,000. Enhanced foundation at $10 per square foot, with upgraded thickness costs $24,000, and on-site assembly runs $24,000. Shell total comes to $100,000. Interior finishing. Luxury style at $110 to $160 per square foot. Premium spray foam insulation throughout costs $14,500. Custom interior framing with architectural details runs $32,000. Engineered hardwood flooring throughout costs $28,800. Gourmet kitchen with custom cabinets and quartz countertops runs $48,000. Luxury bathrooms with designer fixtures and tile work cost $28,000. High-end electrical with designer lighting and smart home features runs $22,000. Premium plumbing fixtures and systems cost $16,000. Multi-zone HVAC system runs $16,000. Solid core doors with custom hardware cost $8,500. Custom paint with accent walls and premium finishes cost $6,500. Ceiling treatments with exposed beams and shiplap run $12,000. And built-in storage and custom millwork costs $18,000. Interior finishing total comes to $250,300. Additional costs. Permits and engineering run $3,500. Upgraded septic system costs $10,500. Well or water connection runs $12,000. Paved driveway costs $14,000. And professional landscaping runs $12,000. Additional costs total $52,000. Grand total for luxury 40 by 60 barndominium, $402,300, which equals approximately $168 per square foot. For that investment, you get a home that competes with high-end traditional construction. Custom kitchen that would make any chef jealous. Spotlight bathrooms with rainfall showers and soaking tubs. Smart home integration. Architectural details like exposed wood beams and custom metalwork. Premium insulation that keeps energy bills low year-round. The real cost difference. Side-by-side comparison. Let's put these numbers side by side so you can see exactly where the money goes. Shell and foundation. Minimalist costs $86,400 while luxury costs $100,000, showing a difference of $13,600. Interior finishing. Minimalist costs $79,600 while luxury costs $250,300, showing a difference of $170,700. Additional site costs. Minimalist costs $28,800 while luxury costs $52,000, showing a difference of $23,200. Total project cost. Minimalist costs $194,800 while luxury costs $402,300, showing a total difference of $207,500. The luxury build costs $207,500 more, which is 107% more expensive. But here's the critical insight. The shell only differs by $13,600. The massive $170,700 gap comes entirely from interior choices. This proves something important. The barndominium concept gives you incredible flexibility. You control the budget through your finish selections, not through the building type itself. Real-world examples from 2026 builds. Let me share 2 actual builds from early 2026 to make this concrete. Example 1. Minimalist build in Oklahoma. Jake and Maria built a 40 by 50 minimalist barndominium for $168,000 total, which is $84 per square foot for 2,000 square feet. They use polished concrete floors throughout, white shiplap accent walls, open metal shelving in the kitchen, and builder-grade fixtures. Their home looks like it belongs in Architectural Digest, but they spent less than $170,000. They did some DIY work on painting and finishing touches, which saved another $8,000 to $10,000. Example 2. Luxury build in Texas. Robert and Jennifer built a 40 by 60 luxury barndominium for $415,000 total, which is $173 per square foot for 2,400 square feet. They included custom cabinets throughout, quartz countertops in kitchen and bathrooms, wide plank hardwood floors, designer light fixtures, and a full smart home system. They hired a general contractor for everything, which added 15% to the cost, but ensured perfection. Their home rivals luxury, traditional builds, costing $500,000 plus in their area. Both families are thrilled with their choices. The key: each knew exactly what they wanted and built accordingly. Where to spend and where to save. Strategic decisions. Here's my honest advice after researching dozens of builds. There are smart places to save money and foolish places to cut corners. Smart places to save on minimalist builds. Use polished concrete instead of added flooring, which saves $15,000 to $25,000. Choose stock cabinets and customize with hardware, saving $20,000 to $35,000. Skip unnecessary interior walls for an open concept, saving $8,000 to $15,000. Use simple drywall instead of specialty wall treatments, saving $5,000 to $12,000. Install builder-grade fixtures that look good, saving $8,000 to $15,000. Never skimp on these, even in minimalist builds. Insulation is critical for long-term comfort and energy costs. Electrical rough-in should be done right the first time. Plumbing quality prevents expensive future repairs. HVAC sizing must match your space properly. Foundation work needs to be solid and level. Luxury upgrade priorities that deliver value. Kitchen cabinets and countertops, because you use them daily. Master bathroom as a personal retreat. Quality flooring in high-traffic areas. Proper insulation for comfort and resale. Smart home pre-wiring for future flexibility. The hidden costs both styles share. Regardless of luxury or minimalist, certain costs remain similar. Land acquisition varies wildly by location, but affects both equally. Site preparation depends on your specific lot. Utility connections cost the same whether you go luxury or minimalist. Permits and inspections are based on size, not finish level. Insurance and property taxes reflect location more than interior finishes. The resale value question. Here's something people always ask: which holds value better? The honest answer is that it depends on your market. In rural areas where barndominiums are popular, both styles sell well. The minimalist often appeals to younger buyers and investors. The luxury attracts empty nesters and second home buyers. Luxury barndominiums in barndo-friendly states like Texas, Oklahoma, and Tennessee can match or exceed traditional home values. Minimalist builds offer better cash flow if you're renting or plan to sell quickly. The key is location. In areas where barndominiums are understood and appreciated, both styles hold value well. In traditional suburban markets, you might face a smaller buyer pool regardless of finish level. Financing considerations for both styles. Getting a loan for either style requires similar approaches, but luxury builds face additional scrutiny. Construction of permanent loans typically require 15 to 25% down. Minimalist builds at $195,000 need roughly $30,000 to $50,000 down. Luxury builds at $400,000 need roughly $60,000 to $100,000 down. Lenders care more about the total cost than the style. Both need proper appraisals. Both benefit from detailed construction plans and budgets. The luxury build might appraise higher, but also requires more equity. Timeline differences. Minimalist builds typically complete faster. Less custom work means fewer delays. Simple finishes install quickly. DIY-friendly projects can be completed in 4 to 6 months. Luxury builds take longer. Custom cabinets have 8 to 12-week lead times. Detailed millwork requires skilled labor. Professional coordination adds time. Expect 7 to 10 months for completion. The hybrid approach, best of both worlds. Here's a strategy many smart builders use. Start minimalist. Upgrade strategically over time. Build the minimalist shell and structure for $195,000. Move in and live mortgage-free or with low payments. Upgrade one room at a time as budget allows. Add luxury kitchen after year 1. Upgrade master bath after year 2. Install hardwood in phases. This approach gives you immediate housing while building equity. You can test what upgrades actually matter to your lifestyle. Many people realize they love the minimalist aesthetic and never upgrade. Which style is right for you? Choose minimalist if you value function over form, want to be mortgage-free faster, appreciate modern clean aesthetics, Plan to DIY some finishing work, prioritize low maintenance, or want maximum square footage per dollar. Choose luxury if you want a showpiece home, plan to stay long-term, love custom details and high-end finishes, value comfort and convenience over cost, can afford the higher investment, or need to impress for business reasons. There's no wrong answer. Both deliver amazing living spaces. The question is what aligns with your priorities, budget, and lifestyle. Two identical 40 by 60 barndominium shells. One costs $195,000 finished, the other $402,000. Both are beautiful. Both are functional. Both make their owners happy. The minimalist saves $207,000 that could go toward land, retirement, or being debt-free. The luxury delivers premium finishes and custom details that create a true dream home. The beauty of barndominiums is this flexibility. You're not locked into one price point or style. The metal shell works for any budget. Your interior choices determine the final cost. My advice: be honest about your priorities and budget. Don't build luxury if it means financial stress. Don't build minimalist if you'll always wish for upgrades. Build what makes sense for your life right now. So which style speaks to you? Minimalist or luxury? Drop a comment and tell me your budget and priorities. If you found this breakdown valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest barndominium content. I've got more real cost comparisons coming, including pole barn versus steel frame, DIY versus contractor builds, and regional cost differences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.